Okay, here we are. The fire alarm is going off. It's 10 o'clock at night. Let's see who's out here. Let's see who's out in front. Who has come out for the fire alarm? Come here, Frank. Frank. Come here. Here we are. Come here, Frank. I'm out front of my building. Building G. The fire alarm has been going off for at least 5 to 10 minutes. There's not one single person outside. Not one. Oh, here's one person. Oh, and there's 2 more people down there. No one else has come outside of the building.
No, not many. 2 or 3 people.
So clearly this issue has not been solved yet because no one else is out here. In a building that has how many hundreds of people in it?